Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. It's an honor to be with you today. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com, Telegram, Vietnamstockmarket.entry, with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. Or you can also scan the two QR codes on the screen so that we can support you. We will show our Vietnam stock market great opportunities to all of you guys. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name Areca Capital channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Nguyen. She is a personal financial advisor and a Viet Capital Securities stock broker manager. You can contact her with the email hongjiawin@vcsc.com.vn with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. And we always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trinh Đạo Street, Hoàn Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And the purpose of this video is to update you about LPB. LPB was founded in 2008 under the registration of Liên Việt Bank. It changed its name to Liên Việt Post Joint Stock Commercial Bank after a capital contribution from Vietnam Post Corporation in 2011. Including postal transaction offices, LPB has the second largest network in Vietnam. And this is the report which was collated by Viet Capital Securities about LPB on the 7th December 2022, with the current price is 13,050 Vietnam dong. Target price 14,800 Vietnam dong. Last target price 21,200 Vietnam dong. Rising credit costs to depressed earnings. We cut our target price by 30.2% to 14,800 Vietnam dong per share and downgrade our rating for LPB from buy to outperform. Our lower target price mainly results from one, a 5.7% aggregate decrease in our projection for 2022 to 2026 forward net profits after tax. Two, an increase in our assumptions for LPB's cost of equity from 13% to 16.6%. And three, a cut in our target's PB multiple from 1.33 times to 1 times, which are partly offset by the positive effect of pulling our target price revision forward to mid-2023. We cut our projection for 2022 forward net profits after tax by 10.6% to 4.6 trillion Vietnam dong, 185 million US dollar, more than 59.5% year-over-year, which is primarily derived from one, a 45.8% decrease in NLFI, including foreign exchange trading, as we move our assumption for the recognition of the first batch of the upfront bank insurance fee from 2022 to 2023. In addition to a 23.3% year-over-year increase in provision expenses as we raise our assumption for write-offs to gross loans from 0.2% to 0.4%. These factors are partly offset by a 4.3% increase in net interest income following a 18 BP upward revision in net interest margin. We maintain our assumption for capital raising from foreign investors via a private placement of 96 million shares adjusted for a stock dividend in November 2022, equivalent to a 4.51% stake post-issuance at end 2023, but change our assumption for the price of the private placements from 19,130 Vietnam dong per share, adjusted for stock dividend, to 17,000 Vietnam dong per share. We assume a new capital raising of 300 million shares in mid-2023 through a rights issue at a price of 10,000 Vietnam dong per share. Upside risks higher than expected upfront fee received from the new exclusive bank contracts. Downside risks: 1. LPB fails to raise new equity capital through private offerings to foreign investors in 2023. 2. LPB fails to sign a new bank insurance contract in mid-2023 to replace the contract with Dai-ichi Life. 3. Upgraded PTOs fails to deliver expected requisite revenue. Exclusive bank insurance deal with Dai-ichi Life signed in November 2022. The contract is expected to be implemented from December 2022 and last for 15 years. The cooperation between Dai-ichi Life and LPB started with a 5-year exclusive bank insurance partnership that was formed at the end of 2016. Following the signing of 5 years exclusive bank insurance deal, LPB's pure and FI increased at a CAGR of 62.3% in 2016 to 2021. We expect that LPB could receive an upfront fee following the signing of the new exclusive bank insurance contracts. However, neither the size of the upfront fee nor the timeline for booking have been disclosed. We assume that LPB could receive 1.9 trillion Vietnam dong, 81 million US dollars of the upfront fee from the new exclusive bank insurance contract, with LPB receiving a book half in 2023 and the remainder in 2024. While LPB has zero exposure to corporate bonds and low exposure to real estate developers, we take a conservative view in forecasting credit cost. We increase our forecast for 2023 to 2024 forward credit cost from 0.5% to 1% of gross loans and increase our 2022 to 2026 forward average credit cost assumptions from 0.6% to 0.9% of gross loans. And now let's take a look about the key fears of LPB. I will show you. Fear 1, net interest margin and net interest income. The period 2019 to 2024 forwards. 2, TOI components. Period 3, OPEX provision expenses and PBT as percent of TOI. We have 8 figures. Now we move to the valuation. We utilize two valuation methodologies to derive our target price for end 2023. One, a residual income method, and two, target PB valuation with a 50% weighting assigned for each method. In this update report, we cut our target price by 30.2% to 14,800 Vietnam dong per share. Following one, a 5.7% aggregate decrease in our projection for 2022 to 2026 forwards net profits after tax. Two, an increase in our assumption for LPB's cost of equity from 13% to 16.6%. And three, a cut in our target PB multiple from 1.33 times to 1 times, which are partly offset by the positive effect of rolling our target price provision forward to mid-2023. Our lower aggregate 2022 to 2026 forward net profit after tax in line is mainly due to one, a 2% aggregate decrease in net interest income as we cut our average credit growth assumption from 16% to 15%, and two, 16.7% aggregate increase in provision expenses. Following our conservative view in forecasting NPL formation, given recent interest rate hikes in the uncertainties in the global and domestic economic outlooks, we raised our aggregate NPL ratio growth for write-offs from 1.88% to 2.02% of gross loans. Figure 9, valuation summary. History of recommendations. Figure 10, historical VCSC target price compares to share price. Financial statements. So that brings me to the end of my presentation about LPB. Hope this video and some information as mentioned above will be useful for you. And if you want to open a legal trading account, don't hesitate to contact with us with the information on the screen so that we can support you. Like, share, and subscribe our channel to receive the new information in the next time. And see you.